Did your plumbers don't always get wet and soggy? Me too.
I got big bucket.
Yes? What's going on?
I got big bucket.
Oh no. The toilet flushes is okay, but do not worry. We got you covered. We got you covered. We got you covered. Lexi, if you plumbing the bathroom thing, you might get the poo-poo stuck. That's all you need. You have the super plumber. Forget the what's that called again? Yeah, Plumber Zero, okay? Forget Plumber Zero, forget Mark Gill here. And it's that easy. How about this your kid? How about your kid, Lexi? How about your kid? Always get a poo-poo. You understand? You want to get poo-poo? Don't worry, no problemo. I got this covered. I got this covered. Ugh! Ugh! Now it's easy to do it. Soaking wet. Also, we can give you the Blend Flex. And you can get your own plushy water. I'm back. Okay, now we continue. I know Mark Gill here sells some one of these because it is not good, okay? Listen to me. My schedule is not good for me. Oh my god, it's so much broken. Oh my god. Get the plumber for $19.99. If you're calling now for the next 1 minutes, because we have to do this every day, because we're gonna give you the plumber spray for free. It's that easy. Here's your call. Call 1-800-999-888444-777-84. Get your own plumber for $19.99. Get your own plumber spray for free. It's pretty like my prophecy. It has came bio here in warranty. Okay? So I will see you later, and I'm gonna beat on my camera guy. Camera guy, you get this? I'm gonna pick you up.